first I gotta get this together. Hello my loves, Cyndoll here coming to you with another video, and as you can see, this is another one of our boom spur of the moment type videos. Like boom, we'll play them. I just have this video and we're gonna record whether I look cute or not. This is my husband's shirt and stuff, and at first I was gonna change, but I was like, that's gonna be fake, it's not gonna be real and authentic. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be taking this black fingernail polish off my nails because I actually just did my nails, but I've been cleaning up and stuff and all domesticated lately, so this is what happened. Don't judge me for the nails that you're gonna see. Okay, so most important thing, you want to start off with lukewarm water. Remember, cold water closes the cuticle and hot water opens the cuticle, so we want it at an even key. I have two little pieces of my hair. You know, I just was like pluck a little bit, pluck. I think I got one of them at the root. Actually, I know I got one of them at the root. Now, remember, high porosity hair is going to float to the bottom, medium is going to be in the middle, and low is going to be at the top. In previous videos where we talked about my porosity at the time with my hair being color treated and all of the protective barriers I put on my hair would behave more like medium to high porosity hair. But now that my hair is majority natural, it is back to its normal state, which is high porosity hair. Now, it is a myth that if you have high porosity hair, your hair is automatically damaged. That is not true. You can have naturally high porosity hair and healthy. Okay, so whenever I talk about rice water and things like that, it's coming from experience because I also have high porosity hair and my hair grows very fast. But as you can see, with high porosity hair, it goes all the way to the bottom and it stays there. And because my cuticle is open, as you can see, it's not moving around as much. It doesn't really have, you know, as much flow because it's heavy being weighed down. Okay, this camera is awesome sauce. Okay, awesome sauce. So I decided to give you guys a close-up. As you can see, the hair strand is moving a little bit because the cuticle is open, but because it's open and there's so much water going in, the longer it's in there, the more, you know, movement it loses because my hair is constantly filling up with water because the cuticle is open. This is why things like rice water and things like that work so good on high porosity hair. Now, my daughter's hair is different. My daughter's hair is low porosity, so that's another thing. Genetics doesn't make up everything about your hair. Just because a parent, your mother, has high porosity hair doesn't mean you will have it. Okay, and I want to show you, it's not like just me doing it just for giggles. So I'm in the process of cleaning up my house. Don't judge me. But I came back to it and my daughter's hair is still floating on the top. Okay, so my daughter has the low porosity hair and then I have the hair that's all the way at the bottom. So my daughter's hair is still floating. That's my baby with the low porosity. Yes, low porosity on top and then high porosity all the way at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. This is the porosity test up close. Remember, low porosity is going to float on top, and you can see the low porosity has so much movement and it's so light and free floating around the top because the cuticle is completely shut, so it can float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Okay, but the high porosity hair has a cuticle that is all the way open and is all the way at the bottom, full with water, and it is heavy. Okay, so I want you guys to make sure you are subscribed here to my channel and be sure to ring that bell so you are notified every time I post another video, because I want to show you guys what different products do to your hair up close. This video here is just on my iPhone, and I have an electronic microscope that I use for all of my other client projects, and in my next video for, you know, on this subject, I am going to show you what rice water does to low porosity hair and high porosity hair under an electronic microscope. So if I get it this close with my phone, just wait to see what's coming next. Be ready. So I have the majority of this polish off of my nails. Make sure you're subscribed because we have a lot of stuff going on here in cyndoll land. And you already know, I'm bringing the sunshine and you bring the sprinkles. Bye, girl.